Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liz and this is Simply Homeschool. So today I am going to be showing you guys a haul that I have purchased from Amazon. Myself and my sister have been purchasing things together throughout this summer to get ready for this new year of homeschooling. We're super excited for this year. We are doing a lot of things different. We're going to be schooling together 3 days out of the week, so that is super exciting. So let me just jump into it. Items I got from Amazon. So starting off, we got this chalkboard contact paper, and it's literally chalkboard that's contact paper. You just roll it out on a wall or a window. I think you can use it on a window. I don't know about that. I would check into that first. But we are actually going to be putting it over my door. So our schoolroom leads into our garage. So that door we're going to be trying to cover with this. I hope it is not too complicating. I hope that we don't have a whole bunch of bubbles in it, but we are going to be doing that. And I'm really excited for that because, you know, that door has been bothering me because it would hit against our desk, so it made a mark on the back of the door. So I painted it, and the paint is 3 years old. So even after mixing it and applying it with different coats, it's still a different shade than the actual paint. Does that happen to everybody? Did I not mix it right? I don't know. I left my paint in the garage. That's probably somewhere where you shouldn't because it gets hot and cold, but where else do you put paint, you guys? Do you put it in your house? I don't know. So anyways, that is what we got this for. If you know me and my channel, you know that I'm always going off onto other subjects or just conversating throughout my hauls. This is something else that I got. I have a wall that has crosses on it, and I saw this and absolutely loved it. So when I purchased this, I wasn't purchasing it for myself. I was purchasing it for one of my dear friends, and I mailed it to her, and then I got a notice that it was arriving here. And I'm like, uh-oh, I forgot to change the address. So I got one and she has one. So now we have matching crosses with angel wings. Isn't that pretty? It's really heavy, not really heavy, but it's a decent weight. It has one of the little pick hangers on the back, so I'm going to be hanging this on the wall. I was really worried that it was going to look cheap when I got it. You know how you get that resin and it's light and hollow and the paint looks weird, but this actually, I was very impressed by it. It looks so pretty, so I'm excited to put it on my wall of crosses. So even though this was not meant to be mine, I'm so happy that it came to me. It must have been meant to be mine. So moving on from that, my son is going to be doing preschool this year, so I got him these scissors. They are, let's see, safety. It is a plastic scissor, toddler training safety scissors. So it actually comes with 3 of them. I opened it up because I'm like, what is this plastic scissor? So it's literally, you guys, so it comes with 3 different ones. They're all basically the same, just different colors, but they're plastic. So they do cut paper, but they can't cut them. Now, I mean, obviously if you squeeze it around your finger and pinch it, it's going to hurt, but it's not going to cut them. So I thought that those were cool because my son has the habit of going like this. So we thought these would be perfect. So it actually comes with little papers that he can practice cutting with. So I thought that that was kind of cool. They have a car. Obviously this will be when he kind of knows what he's doing. You could even use these as flashcards. You could laminate them. You could do all kinds of things with these. Here, I'll put this away after I'm done. So the next thing I got, was this Scholastic Race Across the USA game. I thought that this would be really fun. So it says ages 8 and up, 2 to 4 players. Let's see here. Learn about the USA. Race to learn state names, locations, and capitals, along with key cultural and location geography about the USA. Play by grade level. So I guess there's different ways you can play. It comes with a game board, question cards, 50 state cards, 4 score cards, 4 airplane pawns, and 1 dice. So I thought that was really fun looking, so I picked that up. I thought that since we're all doing school together, that would be something we can all play together. I also picked up this Scholastic Fun Flat Facts multiplication. It's for grades 2 through 4. If you guys remember cootie catchers when you were little, this is a cootie catcher. So they have these pages inside. In the beginning, it kind of explains it. There's like an introduction to it, and then you have your multiplication family charts right here. And then it also explains the directions on how to actually fold the cootie catchers. And then it starts with, let me get through. So it has the 12 family fact cards. And then here is the first cootie catcher. So let's see if we're in the frame. So this one is circus time. And they just have a book full of cootie catchers for multiplication. Isn't that fun? I was super excited when I saw that. We are going to be doing an owl unit study this year, and we purchased the owl pellets, and I wanted books and supplementary items to go along with it. You guys, I have been looking everywhere for owl feathers. Now, I heard that it is against the law to like pick up certain feathers or, I don't know, nature things that belong to animals, I guess. And maybe that's why I haven't seen them. Maybe it's against the law to collect owl feathers, but I had looked everywhere for them. I did see some online, but they're pretty expensive. So if anybody knows of anywhere that you can get owl feathers from, or if it's even illegal or legal to get them, I don't know. So anyways, I found this book, Owling, Into the World of Mysterious Birds of the Night, and this actually glows in the dark. It's really cool. You guys, this book, okay, so when I saw it on Amazon, they let you see a few pages inside, and I'm like, that looks pretty cool. It shows a lot of different types of owls and where they come from. But when I got this book and I opened it up, it is so pretty. And they used a lot of photographs. So I love that when the books actually have photographs and not drawings. I love it. So it talks about all the different types of owls. Here, let me see if I could get it in the frame and kind of explain to you guys. There may be a glare though. So it talks about, I mean, literally everything about them. So this is about hunting, beaks to fit the bill. So different types of beaks on different birds, how they catch their prey, who lives there, raising young, feeding the babies, them growing up, first flight. Like, look at that, you guys. Isn't that so pretty? So let's see here. So it walks you through, I'm trying to find one that shows, okay, let's see. Okay, so for instance, this spread right here is on eastern screech owls. It talks about their identification, the way their feathers look, their range and habitat, where they are on the map. Let's see here, their behavior, hunter and hunted. It shows what they eat here in the corner, which I thought would go really well because of the pellets. We have to dissect them and see what is in the pellets, because I know that when owls eat, they gurgitate up bones and certain things, and then they actually digest and poop out other things. So I thought that that would be pretty cool with them knowing, and us knowing exactly what they're eating. But you guys, this book is just so beautiful. I'll just show you a couple other pages here. I mean, these owls are gorgeous. Let me find another one. I'm almost done. I just want to show you guys the whole book. You guys know how I am with my flip throughs, and I just would show you every book and every page if I could, but look at that. Aren't they just beautiful? Man, God is good. Let me just tell you. So we have 3 of those for each of the kids, and we're super excited about that. I also picked up, this is actually, I think, from Walmart. This is a book stand. It's for putting a reading book on here. I'm actually gonna be using it for something else, but my daughter's gonna be typing with The Good and the Beautiful, typing 1. So I thought that this would be good for her book to sit on so she could just look at it straight instead of bending down and looking up, because then they start to hurt their necks and stuff. So I got this, and we're gonna be using it for Bible as well. So I will show you how we're using it in other videos to come. But this is from Walmart. I don't know if I said the owl book was from Amazon. I think I did. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is another thing that we will be using for school. So we are gonna be doing astronomy with our 2nd and 3rd grader through Apologia, and I found online these daytime constellation viewer cards. They're actually really cool. So let me just show you, because you guys know I have to show you everything. So it comes with these little cardboard pieces, and if you see those little tiny holes right there, you punch them out. And then I didn't read all the directions, right? But they are constellations once you punch out the holes. And what you do is, I'm not sure if you color these or paint them or something, but you hold them up to the wall and you use a light when it's dark, and you can see the constellation on the wall. So I thought that that would be a fun hands-on project for the kids, and something they could use in their rooms at night when it's bedtime. You know, they could play around. And it comes with this little chain that you can loop around here, so it's on a little keychain. And I want to say it has 5 cards. 1, 2, yep, 5 cards. So this is from Amazon as well. I will try to link the items down below for you guys so that it's easier to find. But this is by Nature Watch, and it's make your own daytime constellation viewer. So they have like a little paper inside here that you glue onto one of these, the blank one that doesn't have the hole. But do you see the little holes there? Isn't that so cool? I thought that would be fun for them once we read about the different constellations. And I also have some books on constellations from when I purchased the telescope for my daughter for Christmas, or my dad purchased it, I think, the telescope, but I don't remember if I got the, anyways, doesn't matter. We have a constellation book for her that they will be using as well to go with that. The last thing I have here is not from Amazon, you guys, but I got our Math 4 through teaching textbooks. I'm super excited for this. I got the discs, the book, and then the teacher keys back here. So we did finally get our math in. I was just prolonging that. I had to do the placement test, and then I was worried because my daughter's been doing a Becca, so I was worried about where to place her. So I was having her do like the samples, and it was a whole thing. But so that is it for this haul, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found something in here that you guys can use for your kids for school this coming up year. Don't forget to comment down below if you know anything about owls or owl feathers. I was even thinking maybe reaching out to a couple zoos, but then I'm like, I don't think that they'll send them to me. I don't know. So just leave me a comment down below. Maybe that could help me out on finding how I can get my hands on feathers. But that is it. You guys be safe and be blessed always.